That's the final piece of this finished. I posted a tutorial before. There is, both sides are stuck with loads of things. I will say that after adding everything, it got a bit heavy, so it was a bit heavy to go on the door handles, so I did hang it with an extra ribbon here, or not to have it as heavy. I think I just got a little bit excited when I designed this kit, so perhaps there are too many things, but I didn't want to leave now things behind. So another option is maybe just to put a mini wire here, so it's a bit flexible and not too flimsy, or to stick in between an extra thicker cupboard between the two layers. So it's packed with all this pretty stuff. So that's on one side. I decided on one side to put a hello gorgeous and best mother ever, but it comes with loads of extra little tags here to replace. So that was the envelope, and it comes with all these bits inside, and there is a pretty paper here as well. This card, I've added an extra like a sticky gem here, a purple lilac color. This can be a bookmark, a luggage tag here, and an extra one here, so you can put extra bits in the pocket. There is this card that goes in here, so this one showing on the top. Once again, something got stuck here, and there is a mini postcard in here. Yeah, I did get too excited, I think. There's the heart here, and these are the extra cards that comes with it. So happy birthday, please do not disturb. So it can be for maybe for a bride or a hen party as a little gift. It says dream in here. This pretty envelope with matching card inside. There's a matching paper in here as well, and I've stuck this little stamp here as well with a sticky gem. Thank you for watching. Enjoy making.